Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Starship food delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Starship is a food delivery app powered by autonomous robots designed to make ordering and receiving meals faster, smarter, and contact-free. Available in select locations across the US and Europe, Starship delivers food, groceries, and other essentials using small six-wheeled delivery robots that navigate streets and sidewalks safely. The app allows users to order from nearby restaurants and stores, track their robot in real time, and unlock it upon arrival using their phone. The app's main feature is its robotic delivery system, which offers contactless delivery and real-time GPS tracking. Users simply select their items, confirm payment, and watch as a robot makes its way to their doorstep. The system also ensures food safety by keeping items securely locked during transit and only allowing access to the intended customer. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the convenience, accuracy, and novelty of Starship's robot deliveries. The app interface is simple, with intuitive ordering, reliable tracking, and quick notifications. Users often mention that deliveries are on time, eco-friendly, and fun to watch. However, there are some drawbacks. Availability is limited to certain cities and campuses, and robot delivery might not function during extreme weather. Additionally, delivery fees can vary based on location, and some users report occasional delays or navigation errors in crowded areas. In summary, the Starship app may be worth using if you live in a supported area and want an innovative, eco-friendly, and fully contactless delivery experience. However, if you're outside its service zones or prefer traditional delivery methods, it might not be a practical choice just yet. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.